Hi, newcomer teachers. So today we're going to do a brief lesson on ordinal numbers and possibly common nouns, but I did write here you could use shapes, you could do math vocabulary, whatever it is you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I here picked 4 objects. You could pick any 4 objects. If they're, let's say you're 3rd grade and you want to do 3rd grade math shapes, hexagon, octagon, it's great if you could use some grade level vocabulary, right? So if you're studying deserts, right, things in a desert, whatever. But for here, I just put some common nouns. So I'm going to go over this with the kids and I'm going to have them draw and write. So moon, repeat after me, star, sun, cloud, go over it various times. And then I'm going to go ahead and use those objects and I'm going to put them in order, in like a line order, so we could practice ordinal numbers, and it's going to be random. So here we could go over this again. Sun, sun, cloud, star, star, sun, moon. Does anyone want to try it on their own? Okay, you could do that. Have them repeat it several times. Repetition is always key. So here we have, it's kind of a little cheat sheet, right? We have the different ordinal numbers. So first, second, and we always want to write it with the number and then we want to spell it out. Second, second. So kids can see, for example, that third has a d at the end. Sometimes we can't always catch that when people speak quickly, and when you're learning another language, it seems like everyone speaks so quickly, right? And so once you're going to review these numbers, you're going to say it with the kids several times, right? And then we're going to go ahead and create some sentence stems that they could go ahead and fill in. The first item is a, and then, so you could do it with your finger first. See if someone could answer, right? If not, you could go ahead and fill it in. And you're going to do the same thing. The 4th item is a moon is the blank item. So we're just flipping the words around, right? So you're going to go ahead and do these 5 or however many sentences you want to do. Then you're going to read what you wrote, and the child should also be writing because they do need practice writing. Remember, the more you write, the more you remember. So we're going to go ahead and read this together at me and the newcomer, or me and the class, or me and the small group, and we're going to read this together. When you're done, and maybe during some independent work time, they could copy this during independent work time. They could read to partners, read to whoever during independent work time or during as part of the lesson. So here at the bottom, I know it kind of clipped the bottom, but I'm just saying you could use different things. You don't have to use just common nouns. You could also use so for example, if they are very new to school, it'd be great to have like items from the classroom. You don't even have to draw them. You could just take a pencil, here's a marker, here's a stapler, and you could line them up on a table, and then you could go ahead and say what's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Thank you.